I greet you all, my brothers and sisters. I've been receiving very many messages from various media houses asking for my opinion about the presidential visit in Iteso, Lao, and Acholi, about the compensation. To me, I look at the presidential visit as a calculated move designed by President Museveni to move into those three regions purposely to cool them down for what is boiling on the ground. You recall, Iteso started a campaign of no cow, no votes. Lango and Acholi had adopted the same. President looked at this with a political lens. He came up with the idea that if the matter continues, if the campaign moves on, no cow, no votes, it may disorganize him and NRM specifically in the forthcoming election. That is why he had to design his program to run into those three regions and give hope to people. When he was in Iteso, he promised that each and every household shall be given 5 animals. In terms of money, 1 million per animal. In Lao, the same. In Acholi, he brought the same idea. Now, statistically, let us calculate. In Iteso alone, we have more than 500,000 households. Multiply by 5 times 1 million. It means Iteso alone may go for about 3 trillion. Money needed for compensating each and every household. In Lao alone, it may go to about 3 trillion also. Actually, may also go to about 3 trillion. Now, the money needed as the new hope brought by the president is about 10 trillion to complete paying for all the households in Acholi, Lao, and Iteso. My dear people, now the money needed to finish all the compensation for war claimants, Iteso, Lao, and Acholi, is only 500 billion. The moment government releases 500 billion, everything is done. Compare to over 10 trillion needed. So my idea is, President came purposely to cool down and to wipe off the campaign of no cow, no votes. And he has succeeded. When he made the pronouncement in Iteso that all households shall be paid, including the children born in 2000, the moment you have the household, the moment you are married, it means anyone above the age of 18. The moment you are married, you have the household, you are free to benefit from the 5 animals. Now everyone is happy. all individuals are now jumping up and down, yelling that we are going to get 5 animals per house. He has succeeded. He has destroyed the idea of compensation. In Iteso, no one talks about compensation. Everyone is now saying we are going to get 5 animals per household across the board. It has killed off the campaign of no cow, no votes completely. In Lao, the same. For us in Acholi, it's quite laughable. When he came here in Acholi, he saw the mood. I recall when he gave me the time to speak, I remember telling him that, Mr. President, our issue is quite unique. Acholi suffered the more compared to other areas. Actually, we are in the concentrated camp for more than 20 years. Actually, and part of Lao, we were in camps and we suffered more than Iteso, more than Basoga, more than any other area. I told him that our issues must be handled in a unique manner. And when he saw the views of people, he told the Acholi community to come up with the committee. Now he gave us time to form the committee. Actually, he's in the process of forming the committee. The committee shall be formed, and he said he's going to interact with the committee. It means meeting the committee alone. Now that we are going in for campaign, he may meet them after 2 or 3 months during campaign if he wishes. And the committee shall be given time to make verification, to register people. They shall be given the areas of work. And the committee work alone may take about 2 or 3 years. The years will run. We shall approach 2031 when we are saying the process of seeing what to be done, and people will start getting money. So, ladies and gentlemen, my dear media houses, you really wanted my opinion. I'd like to tell you that the coming of President Yoweri Museveni, he came purposely to destroy the campaign of no cows, no votes. He came to play with our people psychologically, to give painkillers to our people. And he succeeded in giving Panadols and Paynex to our people. Now everyone is happy that the money is coming. Until when? We don't know the date, we don't know the time, but keep the hope alive. We are hopeful that every household shall be given 5 animals. Whether within 10 years, within 20 years, don't worry. The money will come. So, my dear people, I would like to tell you that President Yoweri Museveni has mastered local politics. He knows how to play with our people. He knows how to play his game. With this, I can't blame him. The only thing, I ask the Almighty God to protect him, and I wish him well, because he knows his games, he has mastered it, and he knows how to play it. To me, as I wind up, for Acholi specifically, I really feel Mr. President should really do the following for our people. We were in camps, we suffered, we went to court in the name of animal compensation, but we are seeing nothing coming. Now the ideas of compensation is being destroyed, being wiped away, and is being taken as something not useful as per now. But reality is, I would request His Excellency the President to do the following to our people of Northern Uganda. Number one, protect our property. Our major property now is land. Help us in protecting our land. You ordered that Balalo must go, let them leave. Reign on the government entities like National Forest, Wildlife, and other greedy people within the government who are coming to Northern Uganda to grab our land. Let them leave our land alone. The moment we have our land, we shall use the land to buy our animals, to pay our children to school, and to progress. Protect our property as land. Number two, Mr. President, give us conducive atmosphere for our business community. What is going on, we are not happy at all in Northern Uganda. Our business persons in Northern Uganda are being taxed very heavily. Someone starts a business in Gulu City, in Lera City, in Kitgum, Padeamoro, Noamoro. Those people are being taxed very highly. Yet in Uganda, we have big companies who are given tax holidays. They are going free without taxation. But in Northern Uganda, people are being taxed very heavily. And the URA as a team is more strict to business persons in Northern Uganda compared to Western Uganda and other parts of this country. Mr. President, statistics indicates that we are the poorest. If you really love our people, why not to give tax holidays to people, to business community in Northern Uganda? We are the people who benefit from tax holidays, but we are the people being taxed more heavily. Look at how URA are running. Go to the border Lego. They are arresting everyone in my district and more. Go to another area. Any small building in Gulu town, look at the amount of tax being levied. The house being rented at 200,000. You pay tax of about 1 million. What is the person gaining? So please, Mr. President, give us the conducive atmosphere. Let our business community go on with their businesses. They will get money to pay for their children, to buy the animals you are talking about, and they will take their people to the hospitals when they are sick. Give us conducive atmosphere. Number three, Mr. President, to the people of Northern Uganda, give employment to our youth. Our people graduate every time in the university. Upon graduation, they all come back home, riding border, working as porters, doing this other job that they did not study, because there are no jobs. Mr. President, if you really care for our people, give the affirmative action to our youth. Give the affirmative action to the people of Northern Uganda. Let them get employment. Look at those who are employed now in the key sectors. How many Northerners are there? Extremely few. Go to URA. How many people from the north are working with the URA? Go to customs. Any other job in this country. How many Northerners are working? Do you really care for our people? Please, give us employment. Give jobs to our younger generation. The moment you give jobs, those youth shall get money and they will buy animals to their parents. They will help paying their siblings in school. They will stop begging you, Mr. President. Let someone be self-reliance. Create jobs for our people. Every time our children finish schooling, they come back home redundant, they do nothing. Please, give us jobs. We shall never disturb you again. We shall get what we need for our life. So please, Mr. President, those are the key areas that we feel is more crucial for our people. The ideas of compensation, now you have stopped it. And I also call upon our people that we should stop chasing after the wind. Let's stop chasing after the wind. You will be wasting your time. Let us concentrate on work. Let us work seriously and tirelessly. To the President, please give us time and let our people be. My dear media men and all the media houses, that is my opinion as far as the presidential visit in northern Uganda was concerned. I thank you. This is Gilbert, the MP.